Hi friends, and welcome to another KD Productions puppet show. Today we have Sesame Street Elmo Shows Emotions with Zoe, Bert, and Big Bird. Enjoy the show.
Oh, hello. You know what? Today Elmo's going to tell you about feelings. Yeah, you can be happy. And Elmo is happy right now. See? See? That's happy. Got that? Good. Okay, now Elmo will show you somebody who is sad. Yeah. Oh, here comes Zoe. Maybe Zoe feels sad. Hey, Zoe. Elmo wants to know, does Zoe feel sad today?
Oh, no, Elmo. I feel proud.
Proud?
Yeah. You know why I feel proud? Because I put these barrettes in all by myself. See? Look.
Wow!
Yeah.
Impressive!
Yeah. Thanks, Elmo. Bye-bye.
Bye, Zoe. Gee, Zoe feels proud, not sad. But don't worry, Elmo will find somebody who's sad. Yeah. Oh, that's Bert. There's Bert. Maybe Bert feels sad today. Yeah, Elmo will find out.
What am I gonna do?
Hey, Bert. Hey, Bert. Is Bert feeling sad today?
Sad?
Yeah.
Sad? No, I am not sad. I am angry, Elmo. I am angry. I just missed the bus to the International Paperclip Lovers Convention, and now I have to walk.
Oh, well. Bert is angry and Zoe is proud. But don't worry, Elmo will find somebody who feels sad, so you'll know what sad looks like. Hello? Anybody sad in the park today? Anybody sad? Yoo-hoo! Sad person, please come to Elmo! Please? Oh.
Hi, Elmo.
Hi, Big Bird.
Oh, what's the matter?
Big Bird, Elmo was trying to show what sad looks like. Elmo tried and tried, but no matter what Elmo did, Elmo could not find anybody who feels sad.
Well, Elmo, it looks to me like you're sad.
Elmo?
Sure. You've been hanging your head down and you're talking softly. You look sad to me.
Hey! Big Bird is right. Elmo is sad. So you know what sad looks like.